Focused investing can still change your future dramatically, but you have to be focused. The 3 retirement income streams you should aim for, we mentioned this in part 1 of the series. If you haven't watched, go and watch part 1. So in Kenya today, a strong retirement plan should have 3 income sources. Number 1, pension income. We've talked about NSSF plus occupational. Number 2, investment income. We've talked about bonds, we've talked about unit trust, we've talked about money market funds and SACCO dividends. And number 3, we've talked about asset income. And under this, we're talking about rental property, we're talking about business, then you're talking about dividends. Retirement should not rely on one stream of income. We looked at mistakes that people do when it comes to retirement, is that they rely solely on pension. Diversification will help you to reduce the amount of risks that you have when you're saving for your retirement. As we close this part 2, you know something powerful, that retirement is not emotional, it's mathematical. If you know your monthly target, you estimate your retirement years, then adjust your inflation risk, you'll have an understanding of your pension gap, and you can build a plan towards how you work out